Taking a look at my schematic, I have several mortise hole locations. If we lay them out at this stage, I think it will be a little bit easier compared to what we did with the front legs. Now, although I did trace these from the template, I do want to verify all of those measurements. And just like the front leg, this 12.25 measurement is not to the mortise, it's to the angle change in the leg. We want to add 1/8 of an inch, just like we did with the front leg, which gives us 12 3/8. And we have a length of 3.5 inches for this location. And then we can verify that they are centered because this is a 1/2 inch mortise. And we can then transfer that 12 3/8 inch line around to the back side. And these are 4 1/4 inch mortise holes. And a 1/2 inch wide. Now, because the mortise locations for the backrest of the bench are parallel to the edge of my angle cut, I need to do my angle cut first and then lay these out later.